This is the Nike Dunk High Wu-Tang. Now this shoe is really expensive and people like Travis Scott have worn it. If you want a shoe that looks similar to this and you only have to pay about $150, then keep watching this video to find out what shoe it is.
Here's my recent pickup, the Nike Dunk Goldenrod. So these shoes are pretty insane, but to style them and for the color pop, these are amazing. So going straight into the shoe, we got a leather upper here. So if you've seen any of my other sneaker videos, a lot of my shoes aren't leather because I get all the other random models that don't have that. So this one has actually leather. It's really nice and buttery smooth, very nice. We got also leather all around, so the entire thing is basically that same leather, and it just feels really nice, so it feels very premium. The only thing I'm scared about is if I wear it enough, it'll get destroyed, but it's a shoe, so whatever. On the bottom, we have the outsole, and this is just a standard yellow outsole with the classic design on the bottom. Really nice, and these are slightly used, so they get dirty a little bit quicker, but they are fairly nice and new. Then we got a white outsole. Apart from the bottom yellow outsole, then we also have the white around as well. And it's stitched completely, so you get a lot of good quality. It's really nice and rugged. So you get that nice color, you get that nice contrast of white, black, and yellow. And then on the tongue here, we have the Nike logo and the standard explanation on the back. We got the swoosh over here. We have the Nike on the back as well. And then on the inside, these are gone because they've been used before, but there's a Nike logo on the inside, on the outsole, on the insole as well. I'll put a picture of what it actually looks like on screen. And then we have some nice yellow lacing. Here's how they look when I wear them with what I'm wearing now, which is not even an outfit that I plan to wear it with, but it just looks good even with this because I'm barely wearing any vibrant colors. So I'm wearing a hoodie with a black and yellow lettering. It kind of adds to the shoe. Then we also have the blue Adidas pants, just kind of standard. I'm just wearing them because why not? And then the shoe. So you can see it looks pretty good. Now these shoes, in my opinion, would look good with very muted colors. So stuff I'm wearing, it actually somehow works too because it's all dark and it kind of matches the darker mustard almost yellow of the goldenrod shoe. Another great one is if you have the North Face yellow jacket like I do, then it'll go really well with this. I'll put a picture of that on screen as well. And then also all black with the yellow shoes will look really, really good as well because it'll make the shoes pop and the black accents will accent your outfit as well. So it'll look really, really good. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of his videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media, it'll pop up right over here. Please let me know and I'd love to interact with some of you. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.